Hi and welcome back. Before we start cooking, we wanted to thank all of you for your support because yesterday our channel passed 1000 subscribers. It is a great joy for us knowing that you like our content and you joined us on our journey. We are happier than ever and this milestone made us even more motivated. So thanks again and let's get cooking. In this episode we will cook probably one of the first recipes we've made as kids. We can say that this is one of the main dishes that defines our regional cuisine. It originates from Hungary and it has infinite variations. It is done with many kinds of meat, vegetables or even fruits. Every person that we have met said that his recipe is different. If you want to know more about the origins of this dish and see another recipe which is derived from this one, then click on the card in the upper right corner. In this video we will cook a traditional goulash and we try to stick as close as possible to the old recipe. If you want, we can make a future video where we share more exotic types of goulash. If you are interested, let us know in the comments below. One of the best meat to use for this recipe is beef shank. It is the ideal cut for a goulash. Due to the constant use of this muscle by the animal, it is tough, dry, sinewy, but delicious if cooked properly on a low heat for a long time. This is a great recipe to make on gatherings because you don't need to constantly keep an eye on it. You have time to socialize. Okay, so now let's start preparing our goulash. For this recipe we used potatoes, carrots, celery root, whole parsley, garlic, pork fat, bay leaves, yellow bell peppers, white onions, tomatoes, beef shank which is cleaned off the bone, but we'll use the bone too. The richness of the bone marrow elevates this dish. Cumin, salt, ground pepper and smoked paprika. We start by dicing up the meat. It is a tough job cleaning and dicing it, but it is worth it in the end, you will see. We clean all the tendons that we can because those will stay tough no matter how much you cook it. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We continue by dicing a white onion, we cut some yellow bell peppers in big chunks. If you want, you can dice them fine. We dice some tomatoes. We continue by cleaning and dicing the celery root. We use some parsley roots for our recipe. If yours are bigger, then dice them up. We clean and dice a few cloves of garlic. When done, we peel and dice some potatoes, and last we clean and slice up some carrots. All the ingredients are prepared, so we start making the fire and set up the cauldron. When the cauldron is hot, we add the pork fat, in which we will sear the onions until translucent. We take it off the heat and we add the smoked paprika. This step is crucial because we don't want to burn the paprika. We give it a mix and we put it back on the fire. We continue by adding the meat. We sear it until the meat has a nice white color. When done, we add the yellow bell peppers, the tomatoes, the garlic, and the bay leaves. We season it with salt, ground pepper, and cumin. We mix it all together and we add a good amount of water to cover the meat. We will leave it to cook for roughly 2 hours. Always add some water if you see that it has evaporated. Our meat is almost done, and the bone marrow too, which is crucial for this dish. So we proceed to the last phase by adding the carrots, the parsley, and the parsley root, followed by the potatoes. We add some water until we get the consistency of a soup, and we cook it until our vegetables are soft. When done, we take it off the heat and we serve it with some amazing pickled peppers topped with shredded cabbage. This goulash is very rich and full of flavor, perfect for any season. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like and leave a comment below. See you next time.